What's up, guys? Today we are going to be doing something very cool. The craziest animal encounters. So let's get into this right now. Alright, y'all, so we got the craziest animal encounters. Let's get into it.
Oh my god! Get out of you!
Oh no, nah. Cause see, if a rhino, black people don't play that. Black people don't play that shit. I don't give a like, nigga. If I see a rhino 200 yards away from me, nigga, I'm getting my ass up out of here. I don't care. What the fuck is that, nigga? A rhino?
Pick up.
On my dead uncle, I don't play. If a bear is running after me, nigga, black people is running away. The fuck, nigga? Nigga, we're running away. Nigga, we don't care about none of that. Nigga, the fuck, nigga? What are you talking about, nigga?
Jumanji.
Didn't I? That's where it comes from.
Porque ya está venciendo la ventana.
I can't check my man! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Why are they letting the bulls get away? Out of all the animals in the world, you let the bulls get away. Out of all the animals in the world, you let the bulls get away. Oh my gosh, bro. Out of all the animals in the world, out of all the animals in the entire world, out of all the animals, you let a oh my god, it's not a bull, or I don't know. You let a bull, you let a bull out of the cage. How do you let a bull out of a cage? I just saw two ones back to back. You would have thought that nigga was going to work.
Whether it's nature reminding us who's boss, or sheer human luck, these moments will have you on the
I swear to God, I thought this video was titled Top 50 Worst Bull Encounters. Cause there's no way I saw one, but not two, but not three. I saw three. I saw three bull encounters. I said not one, not three. No, I don't care. I saw three bull encounters. Three bull back to back to back. This is animals, like animals. You're not supposed to see three back to back. Like that ain't normal. Like that they do not down there in in Australia and I don't know where else, but we don't America. America. No, no, no Australia. No Australia. No Brazil. No, 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 no America. No, no, no America. You keep that over there. Over there, alright? Yeah.
Edge of your seat. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's get into the wildest ride nature has to offer. So let's get started.
So you're telling me that was the intro? So you're telling me I just saw 1, 2, 3, 4 counts in the intro? In the intro. Yeah. That's right.
This montage captures the essence of nature's unpredictability.
Oh, nah. Oh, no. Oh, no. I don't like, I can't even be mad at them. But that's your fault at the same time. That's your fault. And you wanted to sit on the ledge and, you know, this what the Joe said. This what the sea squirrel or whatever it said. He said, I see my prey. I see a human bone. Oh, this tastes good. God, what the fuck? What am I doing? What am I doing?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Each animal has its own way of expressing aggression and protecting itself.
That's the stuff they do down there, man. They keep doing that.
Cheetahs are usually seen as graceful and elegant animals. But this video is a powerful reminder of their wild instincts and incredible strength. Even with caretakers who know and understand these animals, things can go wrong in an instant. Australian man, to avoid swimming in a river infested.
What did I say? I said in Australia they do all the BS. All the BS down there. They act like, you see, people will let a 10-foot elephant into their house unsupervised. Not it don't even matter about unsupervised. You let him in your house. You let him in your house. You're sleeping. He's gonna suck you up in your nose, gang. In his nose. Oh my god, bro. Have some oh my god, bro. Have some have some sense of mind. I mean, we haven't even made it 5 minutes into the video. I don't even know if I'm gonna make it another 3 minutes. It's calculating, all this BS is calculating into my brain functions. Calculating, it's just manipulating my brain into doing all this BS. I'm gonna wake up one day and oh my god, let me let a caterpillar into my eardrum. What am I oh my god.
With crocodiles, decided to move to the other side of the river in this way. And what happens next will shock you.
boy in the middle of the water and that one.
Fortunately, he was missed by a crocodile bite, and he quickly headed towards safety, having learned a lesson he will never forget.
You. God, like, oh my God, like.
What would happen if he fell into piranha water?
Más para abajo, más para abajo. Ah, súbela.
Bears are incredibly powerful animals, and this video is a shocking reminder of just how dangerous they can be, even in a controlled environment.
Alright, let's replay. Let's do a replay. Like, back, you know? So, this man right here in the white, he woke up on a beautiful, like, Saturday morning, whatever day, and, he said, oh, let me get trapped in a white, in a clear, metal box, and let the, bear try to kill me, I mean, try to, in GTRP, like, in that, Fortnite game, Twitch. This is not, obviously not real, So, he wakes up, he like, oh, let me be in a white box, let me be in a clear box. Why do I keep on saying white? Never mind. He wakes up, and he's like, oh, let me be trapped in a clear box, and let a bear try to kill me. Oh, and yes, I know the dangers of this. I know that I might get, I might get, I might get eaten alive. I know all that. I know, It's very nourishing into my brain, So, let me just, like, try to get eaten by a bear, Yeah, that's my dream, That's all I have to say. I mean, like, I can't even watch this no more, bro. The video's over. Hey, stay blessed and stay loved, y'all. I love y'all.